Here we go. Here we go. This has got to be one of the hottest bullish stories in all of crypto right now. Cryptocurrency officially is going mainstream. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Hopefully you're on the train. Buckle up. Going to the moon. Rocket ship. Fuel loaded. Let's go. Hey, listen. This came from one of my crypto friends in the YouTube space, Crypto Yardy. Go check out his channel. He knows I talk about news, and he sent this over to me. This guy's in the know. One of the most underrated channels on all of cryptocurrency, if you ask me. But let's cover this. This is incredible. Just a few days ago, I did this video right here. What Bitcoin is going up 2 days ago. And in this video, I actually covered 4 very bullish news stories. And quite honestly, this one probably tops those. I mean, this is going to be extraordinary. So if you haven't done so already, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, click all, and hit like. So S&P Dow Jones adds crypto indexes. Listen to me. Now, I know if you're watching this channel, you're already into crypto, you're already paying attention to crypto, you may already be invested in crypto. And if that's the case, this is incredible. However, there are tons of people around right now. I would say of the investing public, about 40% that have heard of crypto. They may think it has merits. They may have a recognition of it, but they don't fully get it. And they're behind the times in recognizing how many people are waking up to this. And these are people that are part of legacy finance. These are other investors. These are people that have mutual funds. These are people who trade stocks, but yet, you know, that they aren't fully aware of crypto. And the financial sector is waking them up. I've got to tell you something. Almost every week I'm having a new conversation or 2 new conversations right now with friends of mine who've been in legacy finance forever, and they see one of these headlines. So the headline itself, the fundamental of what is taking place itself is extraordinary. But the awareness that is bringing to mainstream, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this gets about as financially mainstream as it could possibly be. I'm telling you right now, Bitcoin's going to explode in 2021 as long as we don't have that little bit of negative news I talked about earlier on the channel, you know, with the government's trying to outlaw custodial wallets. Outside of that little tidbit, then we'll be okay. By the way, let me see where I covered that at. Was it right here? Bitcoin crash coming. So right after I did this video, and then I did this video. So outside of this little tidbit right here, we're okay. If this rumor doesn't prove true, we're okay. Fundamentally, crypto's going to the moon. Let's talk about it. S&P Dow Jones adds crypto indexes. I got to tell you something. I didn't think I was going to wake up and see this news this morning. S&P Dow Jones Index is a division of financial data provider S&P Global Incorporated said on Thursday that it will launch crypto indices, or indexes as another way to say it, or another way to think about it. Indices is a proper spelling, but don't tell anyone. In 2021, making it the latest major finance company to enter the nascent asset class. The S&P Dow Jones Industrial branded products will use data from New York-based virtual currency company Luca on more than 550 of the top traded coins, the company says. The S&P client will be able to work with the index provider to create customized indices and other benchmarking tools on cryptocurrencies, S&P and Luca said in a joint statement. S&P and Luca hope more reliable pricing data will make it easier for investors to access the new asset class and reduce some of the risk of the very volatile speculative market, they said. With digital assets such as cryptocurrencies becoming a rapidly emerging asset class, the time is right for the independent, reliable, and user-friendly benchmarks, said Peter Rothman, a global head of innovation and strategy at the S&P Dow Jones Indices. The move by one of the world's most well-known index providers could help cryptocurrencies become more mainstream investments. It comes as Bitcoin continues to soar to record highs against the dollar, boosted by increased demand from investors who say the virtual currency is not a virtual currency. I can't stand when I see this. It's a blockchain currency. There's a difference. A virtual currency is a video game money. Who say the virtual currency is a hedge against inflation and a safe haven asset. Of course it is. We've already covered that extensively on this channel. Bitcoin was trading at $19,300 in the latest trading on Thursday, having soared around 170% this year. Cryptocurrencies have been around for more than a decade, but have started attracting more interest from large financial companies over the last few years. Those of us who have been in crypto, have been aware of crypto, we knew this was coming. It was just a matter of time. Ladies and gentlemen, mark my words. Mass adoption. Cryptocurrency will be used as a form of finance. Ignore all the naysayers. They don't know what they're talking about. It doesn't matter that someone says that Bitcoin, is too expensive to use to buy a cup of coffee. It doesn't matter that someone says that Ethereum is too slow for this or that. Listen, the ultimate fundamental is that people need to use it. When there comes a point in time when the current system is broken, then the next best system is the best system. And cryptocurrency will be the best system. We do not have to wait for technological perfection. In fact, that's actually never going to happen. Cryptocurrency is ready for mainstream now if the world needed it. And finally, traditional finance is beginning to realize it, because as a store of value, Bitcoin is today perfectly, in every way, better than gold. Except you can hold gold in your hand. Except gold has a longer history. But security, transport, transactional, would you rather keep a thumb drive with $1 million worth of gold in your house? A thumb drive with $1 million worth of Bitcoin in your house? Or would you rather try to keep $1 million worth of gold and protect it? Exactly. That thumb drive is easy to hide, easy to protect. Nobody knows you got it. Imagine large institutions. They would much rather be able to hold Bitcoin. Economically, it makes more sense in every way. Large firms, including Fidelity Investments and Japan's Nomura Holdings, have started safeguarding Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies for institutional investors, while major exchanges have started offering Bitcoin derivatives. The emergence of more mainstream market infrastructure has made the asset class more accessible for institutional investors, with hedge fund managers such as Paul Tudor Jones and Stanley Druckenmiller saying they include Bitcoin in their broad investment strategies. Read more on Reuters. Hey, here's another thing to think about. This is crazy. So, people are like, how do you know there's gold in Fort Knox? How do you know there's gold? Another thing with gold. Like, how do you know that? And the truth is, you don't know. Like, how do you know how much gold another country's holding? You really don't know. But what's interesting with Bitcoin? No one can tell you they have something they don't have. All you have to know is what that wallet address is. You can't access it, but you can see it. You can know that it's there. That's not true with privacy coins such as Monero, but it is definitely true on Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, decentralized cryptocurrency keeps people honest. Decentralized cryptocurrency is freedom. If you believe that, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out. All right, if you're still watching, this is the secret part of the video. So I just got in talking about how incredible it is for mainstream mass adoption of the S&P, Dow Jones as crypto indexes, but this is going to be even better. If you're new to my channel, you don't even know about this, but do you realize crypto indexes already exist in a decentralized manner where we don't have to worry about legacy finance like these big companies, S&P, Dow Jones, making all the money on crypto. You want to invest in a crypto index, then all of a sudden you don't realize it, but you pay fees to this custodian and that custodian and this provider, this financial data provider gets part of the fees, et cetera, and you have less of your money going to work for you. What if I told you the crypto indexes, what if I told you it already exists with a brand new technology? That's right. You need to learn more about this. It's through Base Protocol. You need to check this out. I'm going to put a playlist on the end of this video. There's 4 videos. I'm going to record another video today because I want to clarify something. I'm going to add it to that playlist. But there's 4 videos on something called Base Protocol. This is a decentralized method of literally being able to invest into the entire cryptocurrency coin market cap in a way that is extremely decentralized. This is a brand new project, and it's using a brand new technology called rebasing. You've got to take a look at this. I'm going to put the playlist on the end. Hey, stick around to the end of my videos because you never know what sort of goodies I'm going to bring you. I've got more scheduled for later today. You're not going to want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching.